$15,000.
It is the Daytona winner for Jaguar. This came talking first overall.
Ladies and gentlemen, lot 160, the 1988 Jaguar XJR-9. Jaguar does not take endurance racing lightly, but when they do, the world takes notice. This was their 700 horsepower, V12 powered, long distance weapon of its time, winner of the 1990 24 Hours of Daytona, and the only existing IMSA-spec XJR-9 of the two built. Impeccable history, professionally restored and maintained without regard for expense, and offered from a very good home. It is generously presented with an extensive spares package and back on U.S. soil for the first time in 25 years. It is perfect for the Daytona Classic this November, as well as the Le Mans Historics. It has been driven on stage by none other than Mr. Davy Jones himself. A round of applause, please.
Thank you for taking up on the stage with us.
Davey, what was it like driving the car again at Daytona just recently back on the track?
It was just like I got out of it yesterday. So 25 years since this car has been in the United States, and I mean, I just took to it like glue. It's, you know, you get in the car, starts up, put it in gear, and to go back out and do some memorable laps around the Daytona racetrack was just awesome. And to hear the sound of the V12 engine was incredible. But I guess my most memorable moment of this car is winning the 24 Hours Daytona in 1990 in a Jaguar, Tom Walkinshaw. The car could have gone another 24 hours, honestly. So I look forward to seeing it on the racetrack again soon.
Thank you, Davey, very much. Thank you very much. I have to say, not that I can drive like Davey Jones, but I did have the pleasure of driving the car, and it is amazing to drive. Actually, a lot easier than you would think. So maybe he's not that good after all. I could do that too. Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very important Jaguar, the XJR-9, the Daytona winning car from 1990. A true piece of history. I am very, very excited to have this car here. Been following it for a long time, and I have to say my heart really goes out to this car. I'm going to open the bidding here, ladies and gentlemen, on this Jaguar, a piece of history, at $1 million, ladies and gentlemen. Who would like to start me at $1 million? I am bid from a very young bidder. Thank you. At $1 million, do I have 1 million? 1.1, 1.1, 1.2. 1.2 if you like. I have $1,100,000. Do I have $1,200,000 now? Well, at $1,100,000, ladies and gentlemen, $1,200,000, $1,300,000 I have on the phone. Do I have $1,400,000? $1,500,000 I am bid on the telephone. Do I have $1,600,000? We're at $1,500,000, $1,600,000. The bid's back in the room. Make no mistake, I'm selling the car, of course, at $1,600,000 to a very young bidder. $1,650,000, $1,700,000 now. Do I have $1,700,000? $1,700,000 in the room. At $1,800,000 now, if you like. We're at $1,700,000. The bid's seated here on my right. Hopefully, it will be going back out on track. We're at $1,700,000. Do I have $1,800,000? Well, I shall count it down then. At $1,700,000, $700,000 only, ladies and gentlemen, do I have $1,800,000. I'm selling the car. Make absolutely no mistake. $1,800,000 now. Do I have $1,900,000? $1,900,000. Do I have $2 million? Take a deep breath and wave at me. We know each other well enough, you can do it. At $1,900,000, the bid's in the room. I'm selling the car. Davy Jones is smiling, he's not included, might I add. At $1 million, he doesn't mind, he's quite happy. At $1,900,000 that I'm selling here and it's going for the first time. At $1,950,000. Oh no? Fair enough. I thought you were going to say yes. Why not? Fair enough. $1,950,000. The bid's on the telephone and I'm selling the car. At $1,950,000, do I have any advance? Well, I'm going to count it down, ladies and gentlemen. We're at $1,950,000. It's going for the first time. At $1,950,000, then I'm selling on the telephone for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. A true piece of Jaguar history. Absolutely on the button and ready to be used. For the third and time. At $1,950,000. Are we sure? If there's no better bid, are we all done? Are we all finished? Are you sure? Sold your car. Well done, Stephanie. Thank you. 4,444. $1,950,000. Thank you.